Big Adventures with Winter the Wolf. Wow, what beautiful red apples hanging in the big tree. Let's count together. How many apples do we see? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, we counted 5 red apples. It looks like one of the apples is about to fall down. One of the apples just plopped to the ground. Can you count with me how many apples are left in the tree? Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we counted 4. It looks like one more apple plopped to the ground. Let's count how many apples are still hanging around. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Right, there are 3 apples left hanging in the tree. Oh my, another apple just plopped to the ground. How many apples do you see hanging around? Can you count with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 2. Right, there are 2 apples hanging in the tree. Look, friends, another apple just plopped to the ground. Let's count together how many apples are still hanging around. 1. That's right. There is just 1 apple hanging in the tree. Wow, from 5 to 1, great counting, friends. All the apples are almost gone, but we started with 5 apples hanging in the tree. 4 apples plopped to the ground next to me. Then, there was only 1 apple hanging in the tree. 5 apples minus 4 apples leaves 1 apple hanging in the tree. You did an amazing job. This was so much fun. Bye for now. Come back soon for big adventures and learning with me. Bye!
Hooray!